Unable to set up Face ID on your iPhone? Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio, and today's guide I'll show you some of the easy ways of how you can fix if your iPhone shows unable to set up Face ID. Super easy, so let's get started with the video guys. Well, so unable to set up Face ID problem can arise for various reasons. First thing first, simply go and open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on accessibility, and then scroll down, tap on Face ID and attention, and from here just enable all this option. Record attention for Face ID and enable attention hour feature, and also haptics on successful authentication. Or if it's already on, go ahead and turn all this option off and enable it again. Now once you do this one, just get back to the main settings of your iPhone, and from the settings you just to scroll down and tap on screen time, and then scroll down, tap on content privacy restriction, and turn up the restriction from here. Now once you're done, just get back from here and force restart your iPhone. Press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears, and this will actually force restart your iPhone. And once you get back, most likely your problem is going to be solved. But if any case, if you still have the problem, then here's the last process that you guys can do. Open up the settings app once again from a device, and then scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and update your iPhone to the latest iOS in order to fix any software bugs or glitch that you have with your iOS version. But if you don't find an update, just get back from here and then scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, and tap reset all settings, and then put your iPhone passcode here and tap on reset all settings, but make sure this will reset all of your settings and it will get back to the default. So you will lose your Wi-Fi password and other settings that you have customized. And once you do that, most likely the problem is going to solve. Hope you find this very helpful guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.